How to save items on Temu. Hey guys, let's get started. First of all, download Temu application using Play Store or App Store and sign in or sign up using your credentials. Once that is done, tap on the Temu app to open it. While there is no such direct option to save your applications or products, you can apply two such alternatives. For this, first of all, browse through the products and choose the product that you want to save. Once you tap on it, the first option would be sharing the link on any other application. For this, tap on the share button on the top right and you can either copy the link or send it directly. Likewise, the next option is to add it to the cart. So for this, you can choose the color and then add it to the cart. Now, if you open your cart, you will see all of your saved or added to cart options, which will act as a saved items. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.